bitch that's gon' pull it out and lick it. Suck it good, leave my shit covered in lipstick. Yeah, she bounce when she ride it like a ripstick. She go deep south like the Rat Pack. Slide my Chase credit card down her ass crack. What you gonna do, shawty, throw that ass back. I got singles, I got hundreds, where that ass at? I need a thick bitch riding on the dick tip. Type of bitch that's gon' pull it out and lick it. Suck it good, leave my shit covered in lipstick. Yeah, she bounce when she ride it like a ripstick. She go deep south like the Rat Pack. Slide my Chase credit card down her ass crack. What you gonna do, shawty, throw that ass back. I got singles, I got hundreds, where that ass at? Big booty hoe, shake it like some dice, bitch. Baby girl, turn me on like a light switch. And she bougie, she don't let any guy hit. Hit you with the stained face, she ain't no nice bitch. I'ma lose all my money fucking with her, but I ain't a simp, always keep it pimpin'. New whip, no keys in the ignition. Bitch, I got bands, I don't need a pension. I need a thick bitch riding on the dick tip. Type of bitch that's gon' pull it out and lick it. Suck it good, leave my shit covered in lipstick. Yeah, she bounce when she ride it like a ripstick. She go deep south like the Rat Pack. Slide my Chase credit card down her ass crack. What you gonna do, shawty, throw that ass back. I got singles, I got hundreds, where that ass at? I need a thick bitch riding on the dick tip. Type of bitch that's gon' pull it out and lick it. Suck it good, leave my shit covered in lipstick. Yeah, she bounce when she ride it like a ripstick. She go deep south like the Rat Pack. Slide my Chase credit card down her ass crack. What you gonna do, shawty, throw that ass back. I got singles, I got hundreds, where that ass at?
Ayo, Parrish, this shit hot, boy.
She know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the dying. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a pint of the codeine. Shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the dying. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying. Whip ain't fast enough. You talk too much shit, but don't back it up. Shoot her on deck if you tryna get backed up. It's broken boy, bitch, I don't need to throw rags up. I put that on my mama. High tech sipping got me sweating like a sauna. Acting like a bitch where you fuck with the drama. It's only 2 pops, little boy, then you a goner. Yeah, broken, goated up. Pop my cape and run it up. Make that bag, I'ma give it to my mom. At the end of the day, that's the only one I got. She's holding up a gun to the codeine. Shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the dying. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a pint to the codeine. Shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the dying. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying. Heavyweight, heavyweight, yeah, big body, Lexus, Bentley, ex-bitch want me. Heavyweight, heavyweight, yeah, big body, Lexus, Bentley, ex-bitch want me. How you let a pump boy get this big? I ran it up, bitch, I'm Canadian, I'm good with the sticks. I'm 5'5", a little boy still a midget to me. It's cause I'm running shit, little bitch, I made it to the big league, yeah. Broken, goated up, pop my cape and run it up. Make that bag, I'ma give it to my mom. At the end of the day, that's the only one I got. She's holding up a gun to the codeine. Shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the dying. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a pint to the codeine. Shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the dying. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying. Look, I say yo bitch a party, call her Fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't want it. Man, these niggas never ballin', broke boy facts. But my money always callin', finna call back. On my back they put a target, what you call that? I just been a better artist, they won't talk back, real chat. I've been doing what I want, with no problem from the jump. It don't matter what I'm dropping, all these niggas finna bump. They be fighting over crumbs, I can never be with them. At a party fucking totals and you still won't get my song. And these niggas sleeping on me, so I call them siesta. Shorty want it all, but I just had to next up. Said she had a friend and they want a trifecta. She be going hard like a fucking I say, yo bitch, a party, call her fiesta. She want to skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same vein. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been signing all these niggas, they don't wanna hear me play. I be winning every time, even with a head start. Niggas think they making hits, they ain't in the ballpark. They be trying to make it on, but they really fall hard. You ain't even in my zone, how you think that you a star? There's a real fine line between the confidence and cockiness. I promise that the difference lies how often they be talking it. Fuck around and do it, niggas swear that I be walking it. And they don't want no problems, but they acting like they starting it. They living the facade, always wanting what I got. Won't get Freeman how they acting, always wanna play a part. I don't know if I'm a sign, like the Treaty of Versailles. At this point I've been at war with all these niggas. I say yo bitch, a party.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And no, I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, but they call incessantly, then want some more job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy, I'm getting with a forgotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fold, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she home, it's shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though, it's hip-hop, you know. Or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up. Hard words like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection. Too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention. Cause I'm making a connection, lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession. Taking action and progressing, I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They tell me all the same, told me I won't make a name. But it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins. Feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. Yeah. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you.